Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share voice memos from MacBook to Telegram. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Did you record an important voice clip and want to send it to a coworker or family member? In this tutorial, I will show you how to share the voice memos, the voice recording on your Mac to Telegram using Telegram. The voice memo app is an ideal tool for capturing notes by speaking instead of typing or writing. And like any note-taking tool, you may want to share what you record. In this video, I will show you. So here's the memos, the voice recording that I want to share with Telegram. So you can just choose on the voice memos. Now you can see there is like share icon on there. You can just click on that. As you can see, there's no option Telegram on it. You can just click on more. And in here, you can just scroll down. There is a Telegram option. You can just checklist on it. We can go back and try to send it again, and you'll find there is a Telegram option on the options in here. You can just click on Telegram. You can wait. You can choose the contact that you want to share this. It's uploading. So now you have sent that voice memos using Telegram on your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to send voice memos on MacBook to Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!